In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed shortcode in Tutorlms product list. This process is straightforward and extremely useful when you want to display a specific course list on any page or post of your website. Whether you're personalizing your online platform or organizing your courses more effectively, this technique is essential for any Tutorlms user. Let's get started by accessing the page or post where you would like the course list to appear. This is the first and most crucial step. The good news is that this can be any page or post on your website, depending on where you want your visitors to see the available courses. To do this, head over to your WordPress dashboard. From there, navigate through your pages or posts until you find the one you'd like to edit, or the spot where you want your course list integrated. Opening the correct page is important, so take a moment to make sure it's the right one. With the page in front of you, the next step is to insert the shortcode. Shortcodes are a powerful feature in WordPress that allow you to achieve complex functions easily without touching any code. In the content editor, whether that's the classic editor or the block editor, place your cursor exactly where you want the course list to appear. Now all you need to do is type in the shortcode. Use tutor course, followed by any desired parameters that suit your needs. These parameters allow for customization, so you can adjust how the course list is displayed, such as filtering by category or course level, ensuring it matches your site's overall style and objective. Remember, the way you configure these options will be how they appear to your visitors, so give it thoughtful consideration. After you've placed the shortcode and modified it to your liking, it's time to save your changes so that they appear on your live site. Look for the Publish or Update button, usually located on the right-hand side of your screen. This button saves all the alterations you've made. Once clicked, your changes are immediately live, and the course list should now be visible exactly as you want it on your web page. This is an incredibly efficient way to add dynamic content to your website, keeping your course offerings organized and easily accessible to your audience. As you become more comfortable with shortcodes, you'll find added flexibility and creativity in how you present your courses. Thank you for following along today as we explored how to embed shortcode in Tutorlms product list. With these steps, you can effortlessly showcase your courses in just about any place on your website. So go ahead and experiment with different setups to see what works best for you. Happy teaching, and we'll see you in the next video.